guys, it is OptiNation Review, and yeah, it's been a while. I know. I've been through a lot since I got back from TFCon. I've been through sickness. I've been through a holiday, some getting ready to get a new job because I lost my other job because the contract expired and everything. It was all a mess, but I got all of that off the list. I got a new job. I got Thanksgiving taken care of, which, by the way, I had an awesome Thanksgiving. Hope you guys did too. And I got over my sickness, and my voice is 100% back to normal. Yay! And to prove that it's back to normal, I can do this. Thought you were working for us, boy! First things first, this is a blank piece of paper. Yay! It was such awesome. I forget how much this blank piece of paper was, like $25. It's really awesome. No, for real. It is a Transformers Prime signature from Joseph Kerr, the writer of Transformers Prime. I hope the here, let me come closer. That right there. To John Metalburn, Joseph Kerr. Such an awesome, awesome signature. Now, let's get to this next one. I hope I'm saying this right. This one's from Crizzletron Shop. Yeah, Crizzletron Shop. Please correct me if I'm not saying that right. That's their business card right there. Such an awesome business card. Let's open this bad boy up. To be honest, I forgot what I bought. But we will find out together. Let's get that let's get this business card out of here. Oh shoot, that's right, guys. Oh yeah. I forgot I bought this. Oh my. I'm so... Oh my gosh. I forgot about these. I've been so busy. Oh my gosh. Guys, in all my videos, I'm going to put these up as like background images in my set for my review videos. And I'm gonna rework my review station so that way it's more presentable and more awesome and not so dull. And I know I haven't gotten to a lot of reviews, but bear with me, I will, especially now that I got all my TFCon stuff. But anyway, what I'm about to show you guys, 3 posters that I got, are amazing. Let's show them right to you here. Me, Grimlock, kick butt. Yeah, such an awesome, awesome poster. No, my voice didn't go weird there. I did it on purpose. Hopefully you guys didn't see that in the camera yet. Here's my next one, which is really awesome. Soundwave. Oh yeah. Yeah, these photos are going to look so awesome in my review sets. Oh, and check out this next one. Amazon Prime. Sorry about that. So, Yeah, I totally forgot I bought these. And, Crizzletron, if you're watching this, definitely going to go to your store again. If you guys want to visit their Crizzletron store and buy out some posters like that, this is all their info. CrizzletronShop.com. And, yeah. They also have a Facebook page, which I will be joining. So, yeah, it's super, super awesome. Anyway, this is not over yet. Let's get right into it, folks. This is just the start. Woo-wee! Everything came in pristine condition. Including these. Oh my gosh. I have so much stuff to show you guys in here. It is awesome. Sorry, guys. I'm so excited. I don't know why I haven't shown you guys this sooner. First up, this one I actually got from a seller at TFCon. From someone on the side. Chromia RC Alita 1 U from Transformers Revenge of the Fallen. Yes, this box is not sealed, but awesome. Definitely going to do a review of this. And I have other studio series on my collection shelf. So if you guys ever want me to do a studio series review on anything that I may or may not have, just let me know in the comments down below, and we'll get right into it. Yes, this is the exclusive Steel Jaw. So awesome. Definitely going to do a review of him later. Oh my gosh. Such awesome packaging. Ooh, it even okay. That is dope. Even the thing looks like a cassette opener. Like, oh, that is so satisfying. Having too much fun with it. Let's get these off to the side. Ooh. Ooh. I know I'm doing that, but gosh, I forgot I had bought all these cool like posters and whatnot. Okay, making sure I got everything out of there. Okay, this is another signature from Josh Kerr, the writer of Transformers Prime. This one is awesome because it has two signatures on it. The signature that you excuse me. The signature you will see on the left is from Josh Kerr. The signature you will see on the right. And Joe, if you ever watch this, thank you again, man. It was nice meeting you at TFCon. Anyway, here it is. Josh Kerr, roll out. Joe, dream big. If you guys seen the the interview that I did with Joe, and Optimus is here. Well, Joe Optimus is here. He is such an awesome person. I cannot tell you enough how awesome he is. Oh, yeah. Such awesomeness. Sorry, I'm just checking out how awesome these are before I show you guys. Awesome. Freaking sexy. I got some decorating to do on my review sets now. So, no, this is just a figure that I bought from someone at TFCon. It's a bumblebee that's kind of like loose-ish. So, I'll get him fixed up, squared away. I forget what this one was, but this is not the exclusive. This is something else. I got it from, I definitely got this from the Chosen Prime, which I will do a review of. Such an awesome fig. Such an awesome figure. No, it almost knocked over my stuff. The ages 3 and up handbag. TFCon 2022. That was such an awesome convention. I'm definitely going to more conventions. Last but not least, the Chosen Prime exclusive Fans Hobby God Delta. Yeah. I want to set this safely over here because there's still something else in there. It's nothing that you guys need to see right now, but yeah, that is everything. So yeah, guys, this is all of the TFCon exclusive, and all of the TFCon stuff that I bought from TFCon back to Utah. It was such an awesome experience at TFCon. I had such a blast. Such a blast. I saw Deluxe Baldwin. He was there. I saw the guy who owns Cybertron.com, the website. I actually met him. The owner of Cybertron.com. I met him. I met Aaron Archer. I met Rick Alvarez, the one who hosted the first panel that I recorded and uploaded to YouTube. That 5-part panel that was done by Rick Alvarez. Rick Alvarez, if you're watching this, thank you again for that panel. That panel was super funny, super awesome. Do more panels like that if you choose to do so. Well, guys, I got some work to do with all this stuff. Anyway, guys, this was OptiNation Review. So glad you guys could join me for this video. Sorry it's been a long time uploading. And I will see you guys in the next video. And remember, to all our OptiNation.